The equation which is you see here is x minus 3y plus 10 and x minus 2y minus 15. So इस equations को solve करना है. So first we have to do is what? We have to solve these equations. In that way, there are three ways to solve any linear equation. First way is multiplication. First way is elimination method. Second way is substitution method. Third way is cross multiplication method. So there are three ways. So this is the easiest and this is just little bit harder and this is the hardest thing in my point of view. So there is nothing like something is harder and something is easier, but whatever you study and you practice it, it will become easier. So, because some of my students are said that this is easier and this is not easier, so let not discuss that. So now solve this by the elimination method, and I have explained all the three methods in my details video, which I will give you the link. You can check it out. So here x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 15 equal to 0. To solve this equation, solve this equation by elimination method. Elimination method. So by solving this equation elimination method, so let not solve this by elimination method, rather solve it by substitution method. So in the substitution method, what you have to do, all the steps I will explain. The first step is you have to select any one equation. Suppose you select equation 1, then you have to solve the equation 1, express x in terms of y or y in terms of x, and put the value of the x in the another equation to get the first equation, and then solve the value of the x in the first equation to get the solution of the second equation. So let's solve these equations. Suppose x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, then x equal to 3y minus 10. This is the first equation. Now what you have to do, x minus 2y 15 equal to 0. This is the equation. Put here what you have to put, 3y minus 10 minus 2y minus 15 equal to 0, 3y minus 2y minus 25 equal to 0, then y equal to 25. This is the solution. Y is what? 25. So now this value should be put here. Like here you wanna get the equations of solution of the equations. So here x is the value of there. So x equal to 3y minus 10, then y equal to 25. Here it is already given. So what you have to do, x equal to 3 into 25 minus 10 equal to 75 minus 10 equal to 65. Then x equal to 65. So this is the solution of this equation. First equation and second equation has given. You can check it out. And there are other methods as well, substitution and elimination method, but I choose these options as one of the best options to consider. So I will keep updating the video. If you want the details of this video, like how to solve this elimination, substitution and multiplication, then you can check it out in my own YouTube channel. Go through it, and there is type just solve. Thank you so much.